Welcome. So today we're going to go over how you would replace this whole headlight unit because it's all, whether it's broken or whatnot, but we want to go over how you would remove this headlight unit to be able to replace it in case you need to. All right, so this is a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage, and there's a couple things we've got to do. So there's 3 clips down here on the side you can remove. They're just those little push clips. Use a small screwdriver, or if you have the push pin puller pliers, you can use those. The small screwdriver just to be able to pull these out and then pull them out. So you're going to want to pull these 3 clips here to give you access, because you need to kind of pop this bumper away from the clips here, because we got a bolt here that we got to remove, which is a screwdriver head. So you go ahead and undo that. So we've undid that. We've undid this portion here. There's another bolt up here that you would undo. Set that aside. And then there's one more down in here. You might be able to get your small ratchet down in there, which we're lucky enough we can. And you would undo that bolt and remove it the same way. If you can't get access in like this, then you're going to have to remove at least these 2 bolts and pull the bumper out a little bit. And we still may have to do that. But you can get down in here with a ratchet and a small extension, or even a deep socket. Looks like we'd have enough space in there. And we go ahead and loosen that until it's loose, pull out the bolt, and remove that bolt. There also should be a little tab here with a screw that goes in here. It happens to be broken off already, so we're not going to worry about that. But you're also going to want to undo the electrics on the back. Pull the bumper forward. Get it out of that little tab there. And then just go ahead and pop your whole lighting mechanism off. Like I said, so on the back here, this is where the electric's all hooked in. We have an electric here. There's this electrical connector that runs its way down around these clips, and it would clip on there, and it happens to be broken. But that's this electrical connector, and then you have an electrical connector up here that goes for your blinker and headlights. So once you go ahead and got that removed, we were able to get that all out, and you got your new one, because if you're replacing this, you would just go the same way, just kind of put it back in. Be able to pull this bumper forward a little bit. Set it in like that. Get it lined up. Best you can. While you've got that undone, you go ahead and tighten that. Put your bolt in back down there and tighten it. Tighten it back in place. Then you can go ahead and snap those clips together there, and then work your way around to put these push pins back in. Make sure that they're pulled out like that. Then you're going to push them in. Line them up in the hole, pushed in there, and then just push until they snap. So that's all put back together. Last thing, just gonna want to make sure that your electrics are all hooked up. So back in here, just snap them all together. And that's how you would go ahead and replace your light assembly, front headlight assembly, on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.